In this video, I'll show you how to copy Canva projects to another account. This is very simple. Just you need to click share button and then click see all and then template link. So click here. This is a pro feature you see because in the corner you will see a crown icon. So click here and now click create copy link, this button. And once you get the link, just copy this link and now go to your another Canva account. So this is my another Canva account, although this is a Canva free account. So take another tab and paste it here and see this is here and click view template and click open in editor. So now it is now in your another Canva account. And the problem is I have used some of the pro elements in my Canva Pro account. But this account is a Canva free account. So the pro elements are now restricted here. You will see the watermark is here because this design used some of the pro element which is not available in the Canva free account. If you design from your Canva Pro account and use a couple of pro features or pro elements and then you want to transfer it to your Canva free account, you won't get all of them available because your Canva free account don't have these types of features in your Canva free account. So you need to make sure that when you use a design using your Canva Pro account, you need to edit or replicate it other account which is also a pro account. So this is very important. If you don't use any of the pro element in your design, then you can share it to your Canva free account without any types of restriction. So let's see another example. So you see this is another design and if I click here and click here, click template link and now copy and now open it to your Canva free account. And now this design is completely available in your Canva free account because in this design there is no pro elements used in this design. This is why this design is completely available or without restriction in the Canva free account as well. So I think you understood. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.